Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way so the connection works. Make sure both devices run the latest YouTube app. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, join the same Wi-Fi network and turn Bluetooth on for discovery. This helps with quick pairing. Also, sign into the identical Google account on phone and tablet so YouTube recognizes both as yours. These steps reduce errors and let you focus on the actual casting process without interruptions or authentication prompts. Open YouTube on your phone and play the video you want to send. This is the control device. Then tap the cast icon. It's near the top of the player, so YouTube searches for compatible devices. When your tablet appears, select it. This establishes a connection and streams or controls playback. If a permission dialog appears, allow network and audio permissions. Without them, video might not route correctly. Once connected, your phone acts as a remote, while video displays on the tablet, giving bigger screen viewing. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting on either device. That cleanly ends the session and releases resources. If casting fails, restart the YouTube apps first, then reboot the devices, and lastly power cycle the router. This resolves most network and discovery issues. Make sure both devices use the same Google account, updated app versions, and that router guest or AP isolation is off. Those block device-to-device traffic. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.